Are you a fashion designer and you're looking for a side hustle? Then you can go into spice production. It requires little capital to start. A to Z of spice production is the complete guide for Nigerians and spice lovers worldwide who want to make authentic spice blends, package them professionally, and sell them for profit. Inside this book, you will learn how to make the most in-demand Nigerian spice blends from scratch, with both small batch home recipes and large scale commercial measurements, so you can start small and grow big. What you will learn? You will learn different formulas, recipes customers will beg for. Recipes like jollof rice spice, fried rice spice, pepper soup spice, all purpose seasoning spice, suya spice, fish stew spice. Each ingredient, step by step procedures and storage tips. You also learn about hair growth spice oil, cough support tea and massage oil known as hip enlargement oil, recipe for breast sagging, and so much more. This is not just about recipes, this is a business manual. You learn about the packaging and preservation, you learn about materials, labeling, and how to make spices last long for 12 to 18 months, how to name, design, and position your spice brand, profit formulas, sales captions, and where to sell online and offline. Step by step on CAC registration and NAFDAC requirements. Online stores and market stores set up like WhatsApp, Instagram, Jumia, and physical sales. Who is this ebook for? This ebook is for food vendors and caterers who want better tasting food, housewives and stay-at-home moms starting a side hustle, students and 9 to 5 workers looking for extra income. Anyone who wants to start a made in Nigeria spice brand, then this ebook for you. You don't need to have a big factory to start. You can start right from your kitchen with as low as 20,000 naira. So if it's something you're interested in, you can send me a DM or comment in the comment section, or send a message to me on WhatsApp on 0814 256 3027. This ebook has been made affordable for everyone. We know that all fingers are not equal, so we decided to make this ebook affordable as much as possible. It costs a token of 2,500 naira. So if something you're interested in, you can WhatsApp me on 0814 256 3027. Thank you.